Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Alright guys, so I'm literally back in Trenchtown, but I'm not gonna stay for long. And I just come to pick up a donation to go to give to Cranberry dad, you know, from Winstone, from Winstone Chronicles, He's the one that promised him wanted to help to finish off the project for the Cranberry family, so that's where I'm gonna be heading right now, so I'm here. So, but I got some more things to sort, some more donation to sort out and things, but I don't get the chance to do that as yet. So I'm just going to drop this off quickly and then come back, just to try to sort out the rest because of the time schedule right now, the time's running out, between the day. We're here. And we have Boom not feeling so well because himself lose. Boom not looking so pleasant, himself lose.
Man and TV. After.
Let me try go in there, sir. Colors.
When like that people stay in a house.
Colors! Colors! You see, you can't hear me. You can't hear me. Exactly. So guys, I pick up Esther. Boom is here. And 30 grand is here.
We not feel away. Game we
run for the camera. Oh, camera not there nothing. I was vlogging at Colors. Every time I call Colors, him never can hear.
You better stop like my man.
Yeah.
You see them shoot the man?
Yeah.
See them buy some that?
Entertainment, so entertainer, so that place.
You buy one for me?
Take a small one.
How much of your fees?
Actually, my run come show me, eh?
How much you pay for it?
15 bills.
For the big one?
Yeah. I guess she give me them. Yeah?
Yes, I got my phone in the ring a while enough.
I never hear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know yet, poor Friday. So what's popping, Kina?
I'm here, man, just running on the road to go give something and come back.
Show me about what you say now?
Just running on the road to go.
Oh, you're running on the road to get back?
Yeah.
Oh, your sister, my ear clear now?
Yeah. She say I talk to police. Are you police thing that they ears?
No, one of my friends from the airport.
No, I talk this, the CIA thing with them always weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, CIA.
Where there?
In your ears.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a
Yeah,
CIA something.
Yeah, MI5.
So you make him hear it then.
Yeah.
It's like loud, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, loud, man. Kino say my car, look while now.
Yeah, nah, you're nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to see him go so. But two one time, I say Kino, when I'm not going away, you know, make sense, I burn out the battery. Because when I battery done already, you know, Esther.
And it's expensive now, I think.
Yeah, you see me? So somebody make put in the battery for me. Sunday night.
Okay. Alright then, Color. So I'm going to run go on the road and come back.
Yeah, man.
You hear me loud and clear?
Yeah.
Clear and loud.
But I take it all back.
Yeah.
You see it?
Alright.
Along the battery.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, Color.
Yeah, look at me.
Mama. Yeah, eat.
Mama.
Come on, boom. No vlog, Kayla and the crew. Well, Kayla, say something now. Say something now.
The wife will be godfather for my child.
Godfather for who?
For my child.
I want to go on. For who?
For my son, you there?
Oh, you know a son already? I'm not in a belly. Eh?
That's a gender reveal.
Yeah.
Sunday was a
Sunday?
Yes, you have
So wait there, so how much months that belly that gone already?
5.
That look like 5. Not even one, it not look like yet.
It look like none for children. Ready for go down.
So you want me to be the godfather already?
I don't want you to be your godfather.
So wait there, so you ordered me to do it right now, right?
Yeah.
Alright then. So maybe you have paper for sign?
Yeah.
Listen, I'm not good at writing, so it not gonna work.
Yes, I'm not for forge writing.
You can't do it because I forgot you work with a liar. A liar know my working already, you know, so I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Layla, Anna Wagwan. There. Alright, baby mama. So what the baby gonna name?
CJ.
CJ? You name the baby after me?
No.
Kina Jr.
No, son of Junior name?
Kina Jr.
Christopher Junior?
No, it will be Kina Jr. She wants to say hi. What am I to you? Layla, say hello. Hi, yes. Now follow your mother. And your mother, your granny, that a jelly your mother. Later.
Tapi dia
Baja, you alright? you walk like you feel pain. Oh, you feel pain? Eh? Up here sleep last night? Oh. Okay. I'm see like you feel pain. Oh shit, them gone already? Oh. Yeah. Never through the operation window.
Yeah, me know that's what I'm saying. Not try to push himself to them.
You see them? Oh. Yeah? Yeah. I'm a ratty. Oh, I'm alone. Oh. Whoa. Oh, go on. Richie B. Scratchy B. Picking up the wow chef. Whoa, you know? Yeah, yeah. They say save the bus for you now.
No, even that take it from a while ago.
So you're about to save it tomorrow then?
That's my boy call me. Him call Esther.
No, I'm not coming. Say my call me?
Yeah, man, come here, tell me.
Call, man.
Tina, I get him, you know.
You talk to him, man. I love. Yeah. Jimmy Choo now tell no lie.
You understand? You left them there.
No, man, I will for them.
I read for them the one.
Fine, man, get big.
Alright guys, so anyway thing goes. So I have to give thanks to Winstone Chronicles. You know, I want to thank him again guys. I want to thank him so much for blessing Cranberry family, you know, for this donation for them to complete off the project. You know, I want to give thanks. I would thank them so much. Winstone Chronicles. You know, guys, I must say he's also have a YouTube channel where I'm also do a good deed as well too. So you can check out his YouTube channel. The link would also be in the description. You can just scroll down in the description, you know, and just give him a subscribe. You know, I could give him a thank you for the goodness that he's been doing for the Cranberry family, and also the good deed that he's been doing. You know, Winstone Chronicles. Thank you so much, General. I want to thank all our excellent family, you know, for reach out and helping each and everyone on this program, and also the Cranberry family. You know, so this is a huge blessings. You know, this is also a huge blessings to complete off this project. You know, and we give thanks. We thank him so much. So it's a nice day today. Very nice day. No rain. The sun is out. The only was dewing earlier, so good day today. It's a good day to be here today. Nice day. Go on, Boma. Eh? When? All right. Yeah. So the bag them galore.
Yeah, them galore, you know, when they come back here the next time, man, I love it, man.
Yes, man.
I love it, man.
Been waiting for that moment, you know. And you can chuck off around here, so.
Yeah. That is very awesome. I tell you, anything you come here at this back, yes, some here deal from. They come right here, so. They just run and tip off the night.
Yeah.
Between them two stones, you know what I mean?
Right there, so. Tip off.
I'm more outside and I level up your phone. I have a big one behind the shop. Level up the man, kind of have a little area, nice area, when the plant up on. So you can come sit in and look.
Yeah.
So some can run to look it up.
And jump off.
Jump, I dive, me I dive, you know, me jump.
One dive.
I dive straight.
From which part? From Yasso?
Eh?
From Yasso?
One level it.
Where level from? Yasso?
Yes. Come back. The whole of that area and the one area.
You at the rock, Yasso?
No, I'm going to put I use tire, I'm going to use a stone or a tire, but I'm going to implement steel and I lock it up properly, dump it up, and then we can properly there.
Oh.
Some big sand pans and I make the water from nice area.
Oh.
I can say some can run from it.
And chuck off. So, a vision they big, you know. That vision is big, you know. Trust me.
No, naturally me I do it.
Yeah, man, naturally.
Because I know say it's something I want, something I like.
Yeah.
I want to feel man, you know, take it man, because I hold it man, I hold it. I'm going to call it when I think there, you know. I'm ready for work. When I'm ready to start work, now I call it, you know.
Yeah,
Before still. Now I change the number today. I buy a different chip car. So I use most WhatsApp, I find the man and jam the chip.
Yeah.
So I buy a different chip. So I send it, you know. I WhatsApp back here.
The number, yeah. Yeah, it's a good look at that big man, but not like I say, hear that? Boom have the plans, you know.
I just say you are one.
Boom say we can run and jump from here, you know. I run and jump. Whoa, chef. You got the jump off? Gosh. Hey.
I mean, then I love. I do. I'm more like a man, I don't get some.
Guys, up here is a nice day for all the truck off. Nice day for all the truck off. Be quiet, you know. A long time I not swim still, you know. The amount of time me come up here, I still not swim. Hardly. You not swim neither for you come? Yes guys, some say we just reached, but I'll go and get some river meds first before we walk up a Cranberry. You know, Esther walk gone up here. So you know them I look forward to see me come up here right now. Yeah. But you know they love this ambience, you know. Chilling right next to the river. All they can hear is the river sound. That sweet music of the river running down, you know. Feel like sleeping right now. So, no Tuffy gonna know what it feel like. Yeah. So watch if I go bust a truck off. Huh? Not that? What makes? Chunk setting them going in the water and catch here go. Ah man, let's nah catch on here go man. Oh, you're sickly like that?
Not really sick, man.
Oh, your body not used to cold. I'm saying body not used to the cold. Oh, like gone chunk, so you have to hold your beard from early.
No, but yes, I'm a beard from there. From this morning, I'm a beard.
Evening now.
Yeah, from this morning, I'm a beard, brother.
It's evening now.
Wake up, wash up some plates and brush one out. Cook up the Caesar rice. And a whole of beard, brother.
Chunko boy, special Latin and the Caesar rice.
One breakfast in like bird I got eating.
Daddy. Even.
Evening.
Go for the buckle. I don't want to leave it.
You need to remember about the back.
You need to remember about the back. Esther remember though.
No, me remember.
Alright guys, so the panda and dog, the dog might get fluffy. Look. The dog might get fluffy. Well fluffy. Wow. Make sure you climb up. They're fighting now. Hey. No. Come back now for me. Yeah, dirty me up. Big mansion. Come to the big mansion.
You know, say, I mean, I didn't hear that say about the pink, I mean, the pink, the purple.
Okay.
Yes,
Purple. Unusual. You like it? You like purple?
You like purple, Nana? Pink.
No, I like the color. You
I
like
think
it?
good like that. You still like the purple too.
You
And we
say
have
you
to
like
dance
it?
up here in the bathroom. That
No?
pink.
You
I
like
like
the purple? The purple, alright.
Yeah. We just want the
You
bathroom.
like it, Toko?
You like
Toko
to
say
paint
no.
the bathroom pink. I like the
Toko
woman.
said no. Nana said no.
See back on the one.
You don't want the whole place pink?
Yeah.
You
I
want
bathroom alone want pink.
it? You want? Oh.
I wear pink.
Jamaican.
Father
Jamaica.
and red house.
And I like the pink
My
and
father
the
and
purple.
red house. Him in a red house. Tell him that, daddy.
Eh?
No red house in that.
And blue house.
Why? I let us meet them and we change it in our
Come in a Lelo house.
Yellow.
Lelo.
Lelo.
A Lelo. Come in a Lelo house, right?
Let the house win.
Lelo. Lelo.
And they make red house lose.
We're going to Tara house. Which house Tara in her?
What you say now? Red. Red chair, Nana. No, Nana in a yellow. Cranberry in a red. Red.
Three red there, so. Two little.
Where's the charge? I saw her go into the bathroom there.
Four red.
Oh. You say finish off the bathroom?
Yeah, I lock him up on the thing I do to go tile him up and all.
Oh. Hey, just lock it up.
Yeah.
Okay, you seal it. Okay. I'm gonna start
Like a
tiling.
loose part there where the tile will cover there when I like a loose board.
Which part?
Then look up all this over a tile like this, so
Yeah.
tile I go drop in.
Okay. You cut and fit in.
Yeah.
Alright, then cut and fit in.
I'm not side from it still, you know.
Let me see. Which part you tile?
No, there's neat. I say, look, they're sharp, I say them, alright.
Okay. Why not dry always what Miss Cranberry? I can't look about the toes about the drum.
Look at him, huh? See something? Where you take it all away. And look at girl out there. You love the girl out there.
Oh.
They must say they're sharp, but them not sharp, them alright, man, because the water now run from the back and I remember I saw the water come off.
Oh, it come off the way, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
You put an earthing strap? You put an
No, I put on some pan, I don't put it on, I put on some in the night, about 4 of them or some I put. But I don't put none pan the up top, I just pan the, so me that flash it up. Yeah, so me that.
Okay. Oh, so you finish off the gap now.
Yeah.
So that's the bits and bops left to finish off now. Why you have to go paint by the door in a white house?
No, I just clean to remember metal, man. I just want to clean off, but man, come back. I mean, just clean it and clean
We'll get door for you, so now.
Yeah.
So you might
You open.
No.
What are they?
Remember me tell you, say it go put like one look extra, so me I go make with the board then. When it
So
do?
you go walk home. You say walk home.
Yeah, but one next 2 before I go, yes, I want to do a push door, so I go there.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
look at gate them, look at push gate them like half a
I go
gate.
leave some, man. And then place and I go leave some.
Oh, you don't look at half a gate the way you can just push out. And you want a door for you, so basically we don't have much left, so that's a door for you, so a door for the back. And you're gonna need about another, probably 3 gallon
See that? That one there.
next 3 bags.
Street in a paint can see it off.
Yeah. Oh, 3 gallon of the purple. Right, for the outside, for go back over it and everything.
Yeah, the pepper.
And the in, so now I finish off with the paint.
I feel I want. Yeah,
Okay.
A she.
Felisa that.
Oh.
Pierre back.
See her there right there.
Mika? Oh, Mika.
Yeah, brother.
Oh, Mika back there.
Them say the bird want to pick the jackfruit. Tell him now.
Yeah.
The bird want to pick the jackfruit. The bird.
The bird.
One bird up.
Oh, jackfruit up
I'm
there.
real.
It ripe?
Them say the bird want to
It look a bit right.
Them
If I tell the king, when I go up there, if I like me, I tell me the gun.
Take off on the right bird and mangoes.
Well, right, the one in the one, pick and throw away. I tell you, get a shirt.
You want a shirt? Come on.
In the bag.
Get a shirt.
Come here.
Get in there.
Yeah.
Wanting crumb.
Him there, man. Oh, chef!
And next and I will next the right in that.
Oh, me don't know so. Me that take a chuck off. Say, but egg in eye still.
Egg in eye.
Oh, say it already yet. Not ready yet.
Well, bird there once you start watch them, you know.
Yeah.
And this miss.
Yeah. Chat, you don't go nowhere, come give me a donation, yeah? You know, when we become I would have, become jackfruit lovers, so anywhere the jackfruit is, we have to go and get it, right, Nana? Anywhere the jackfruit is, so.
Daddy ugly.
I smell jackfruit.
The one you look.
Look a bit, think I bring it on and put it down in
Which one?
The one you open up, you see the...
Wow, yeah, clearly.
Down the stuff.
This stuff? This can pick then Esther and put on.
Yeah, pick it.
Can't pick one.
Yeah man, this
Pick it and put it down.
is for pick and put on. Definitely.
Hold on the key, we tear off that one.
Yeah.
Okay, the two of them want to pick up the stuff. Give me my money for them.
I can put
Lego
on.
daddy. Lego mommy. Why you want all the jacket?
But the one where you see the bird want pick there.
No, that me I show. I eat me I show him.
Which one you see the bird want pick?
I work there.
Open that too, but that's it.
Right to the
Let's
block.
Right to the rotten.
Where?
Right to the rock there.
Where there?
Here we are.
Yeah, she said I see black, the big, some there.
Okay.
Black.
No, man, say, I see big jack one.
I will pick it.
The big one gone.
No, look now, I'm off here, pick it up. And teach them, I'll give people. I'll get them,
Well,
I'll
him
tell all the
pick it.
jackfruit today. Him pick it out, ID.
Pick it, people. I'm going to give it.
Esther, where you low cranberry alone.
First the bird want to pick the jackfruit.
Like some far come the right time when he can get.
What? Can't make nice when you know me there here. Whenever she know I'm here.
What? I want that up there, so I'm right on that.
Right.
It's a what list?
Start.
I'm going to start. Give me. Start 50 more.
Wow.
Come on.
You can pick it.
Look on that start.
No more than it, oh.
It's perfect.
Oh, wait, let's say it there. Oh, God.
Come on, see that, Daddy.
So
Come
the
here.
bird now.
Come here. See, see purple something.
You got the one up there?
Wait, look there now. You know,
See it, man. Me see.
More pick. One.
Soft too?
But tell you, you never believe.
Well,
The smell is...
What me tell you, Esther?
amazing.
What me tell you, no?
Yeah, I
What me
was
tell you?
smelling.
I say, bets a jackfruit after that.
jackfruit for days.
So can't
Almonds.
send out in there, food. Thank God, I can bless you.
Jackfruit smells.
So God bless you.
Duh.
Get two jackfruit.
Me didn't forget no yesterday. I don't know how to get there.
Yes, God, God bless you.
So we
Duh.
get two jackfruit.
And the bird, I got pick the
I
jackfruit.
don't want the bird to get eaten right now.
I don't mean say I pick it out and drop it on ground, man.
Hello. Jesus Christ.
Keep on even come check me.
Yeah. Hey, you know when baby want attention, they make nice, them go on, just because they want to see the parent.
Look at Timo, when me.
Watch your tail out waggle. We're gonna bring anything for you today, you know?
So why you never bring some food for him?
For her.
For all.
Yeah.
You know, see, Chris.
And,
See him there? Watch your keep. Chris, you can't hide. Go, Kima. See
Aye. Look. Greetings. Hey. Wow. High five. Hey, pa. Well done. As me reach. Oh, you say? Oh, is everything? High five. Yo, chunk as me reach. I palm shy give me.
Yeah, man.
Look, I say there. Good. No, sir. She have sense, yeah. She pregnant. Yeah. You having a baby? Look. Having a baby. No. When I bring nothing for you today, you know? Yeah. She know where I go on, man. We go and wallet then, right? Ash. Yeah, look. I pay pa sure. She get used to it so much. No, can't it? She get used to the parting so much. Get Esther pa. Give her pa. Give her pa.
I don't want to see fear in me.
Good girl.
My star apple. Big door.
Right, Chum. Want a wire?
You want the wire one? Drop?
No, sit there.
Oh. Me know.
And me like. So.
Them say me like star apple.
Yeah.
We never have the wire one.
Alright, okay, it's okay.
I want to try baby father.
A baby father? A baby father? White nose?
Yes. Look back. She can't be going in the bed and fuck. Yes.
She ignorant when she see him.
That want a hook.
Ask Chris what stick down. Yeah.
I open the kitchen door. I make open can come down from the stick.
You want to go ask him?
I'm gonna want to go.
Some more over there, so.
Want a piece of wire upon it?
Yeah.
Chris, I don't know why.
The wire stick I'll find them, they said I good. Just wiring it till it broke.
It now get no hook on it, that's why.
Look at the man watch that big one there over there. So. I want to be you know.
Can't climb it. Look too any look to climb.
Hey, look at my dance.
You want to say, hey?
Look I can't climb. Stop it.
You can't climb, but not that.
No, I said not that.
That's why I hate chicken.
See, let's start with that, please.
Yeah, go down to it.
Who?
Yeah, go down.
I make him over being that.
See there, catch it. Watch the race down the. Watch the race down the gale. No sir. Watch her. Yo. You see the race down the hill. So the only ripe one there? I'm gonna go, I'm here. You find it? I'm fine. No, sir. On the share top.
Woo! Feel like him. Whoa!
Let me see, girl.
Where is that?
You know, long neck on them,
some more there, no?
The way them run on that area.
I want to be down one can become the
road. Not even drop.
You know me I tell you, Tara, and the whole of them.
I cheat Nana.
Yeah.
I cheat Nana, make Nana go down this.
Them skill, me not lie. You really have to burn up here to catch the gravity.
Let's say, I mean,
You love attention, I notice, right? You love so much attention. Look. You see, you love attention too much. You know that? Wait, me soak up. This white nose, you know white nose? Excuse pause my cellular phone.
You think you can pick something? Wait a minute. Yeah.
what are the killer tree then?
Oh, we had to. Pick one more.
Hey, I hold it up at the top still, you know.
I'll climb it.
Can't climb it. Why you not climb
I'm
it?
if you drop out a tree for all of
What
the
in put up?
Chunks, that now drop, you know? A star product, you know?
And then now drop out that tree for climb and get a car.
I want to rock this like rock.
No matter how much you shake star apple, nah drop. When someone
Stick or a wire.
say you mean like star apple, you mean, you know.
What I want to do.
So go on.
Can't go for me no only but them. Can't go for the civilian most stop.
Oh, a Chris man.
A slab.
I'm good.
And I think a slab.
I see me can walk so I'm go there.
Show down there something, daddy. Take time, you know. I'm not going to drop it right now.
Bring the
When
stick.
they're rocking, you know, watch out. When they're rocking, I open your side and drop.
Bring the stick, cause you.
Hey, see stick
Oh,
here.
wait, you might come here so you give him right there. So.
Come, I can't fly. Like you, daddy.
Esther, man, you pull out the banana tree.
Focus down, you get a brain of iron, girl.
So I'm going to go right back down.
What? He almost reached up the man.
Thank God.
Him gone up there.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, daddy.
Excited, you girl.
Hey, this is something else. Keep on. Look where.
Eh? You know, say if you throw this to them, they run bust.
Keep on, you hear that?
You better don't run down the hill here.
Hello?
Careful, now.
Hello, excuse me, Nana. Keep on, what listen your hand, I beg you. Hold this.
You can't hold it now.
It's a wall, listen up. Don't make the body take this area. Hurry up now. Hurry up, don't right, go listen to them. Hold it here, and I put it in. Wait, one happy.
Hey, take time. See this on the zinc, that's all. Be careful on our road. Mind your foot on the zinc. Jesus Christ. Listen, now if you run so fast, you know.
You said them suicidal father.
We get one. I'll wear them. Okay. What? Hey, you're going to get a chance. No, anyone ready to go? Nice. No,
Don't call us drop her and night.
Yeah, go back.
Sweet and nice. Virginia, when you pick that on.
No matter what, I'm have to go hold one for chunks just in case.
You can't get on.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't want to stop real fast.
You guys gonna eat one. Listen, you know, I'm move from the side in the car. I'm gonna run there and carry.
Guys, look at this view up here.
I don't get the jelly up.
Look at the view.
Hey, keep on there.
No, when I come near me, run down and run. No, when I go near to the car, I see me.
What? 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 1. That's a free. I got over 3 bucks. I want to let them start put that. Come on.
All things. Run down for this.
Give up. Tired.
Oh, yeah.
So we all now run down this hill here. Boy, Nana, you not scared? No, sir.
So you think?
Chris! Oh, go on. Get into the mean apples. Sorry, I'm going to check Chris. Belly getting big. Belly getting big. Dog food finished, Chris. I'm going to buy her another one. Belly getting big. Belly getting big. I'll bring food for you next time, okay? Okay? Next time. I'll bring food for you. Sorry, I never bring any this time. Sure?
Esta feo. Gente, lo la here. Esta pia le pia. Wako. Uya ka usiga. Ya big. Ya big. Come here, Dad. Go on.
No, you for go on.
Somebody in there. Yeah, go do
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, you leave.
Ken.
You have a tree in your yard.
Me one out there.
No, I get a book for it, right?
Oh, God, it's
We get jackfruit.
No.
We get 2 jackfruit and
Hey, my mother will listen. Come here, my mother. Come on, my mother.
Purple. Jackfruit smell like gas.
and them are going to get. Gonna eat, Yeah.
You get already.
Yeah, they get it first.
The youth pick.
Yeah. Of course you get. Yeah, but you're too mean. And you get how many times already you talk.
At least, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're right in that tree. But them one are bigger than them one they don't the so.
I'll put it up a little bit. All you get, who give you any Tara? Alright guys, so here we now. So we have a donation here from Winstone.
Yeah, call it money.
So we have to give thanks, we appreciate Winstone. Esther, come this is some time to count it. So so this will definitely can run up and complete everything now, so we can see the journey. It's about this time now. So we give thanks to Winstone Chronicles. Guys, let me say check out his YouTube channel as well. The link will be in the description. Winstone Chronicles. We thank him so much. So here I got a donation. So charges. So before we get some donation already from Winstone, right? which is about 50 odd. And now we have right here, we have 97,500 right here. You know, from Winstone's Chronicles. I think Esther count it and put it on her hand.
10, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 97, 5. Yeah. 97, 5.
Says 97,500. And that is from Winstone.
Winstone, thank you so much, and make your food basket never run dry, and may God bless you, and thank you so much.
Winstone, thank you so much. I make a food basket never run dry.
Winston, thank you so much. I make your basket never empty.
Yeah. Go in charge
Yeah,
yourself.
when so respect and only for manners, man, only for honor faith, man, only for love in general.
So you say now, tell them what can happen with this now.
Yeah, this can do a lot, man. This can finish up, man. As them say, 2 door and so.
Yeah.
This can do most thing finish up. Most thing finish up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright then guys, so
Only for honor faith.
yeah. So we give thanks, so Winstone, we thank you so much, you know, so we can literally finish up right now, so we can move on to the next, you know. So we thank him so much for this blessings. So guys, I'm saying check out Winstone YouTube channel, Winstone Chronicles. You know, please go and subscribe to his channel because the good deed that he's been doing with his family, and he's also doing good deed elsewhere in Jamaica and plus where he is in America as well too. So Winstone, big up yourself. Enough love. You know, so we that now, so we give thanks, so soon, you know, so I come circling back one of these days. Yeah,
Safe journey going on, and big up the girls, you get some new daughters also.
Yeah, more pitney.
Akina, long time daughter them there.
Yeah, I'm a long time pitney them there. I will say my watch while I go on.
Abandon them and take up the new one here and then come back.
Yeah, they never like what I go on, so them step in back.
Make them come back.
Step in.
Cranberry, not tell them,
Hi. Hi, cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers, I don't know tell I shit family name. Cheers, classic, Mika, what other name?
You just tell them I don't know the name. Cheers. I miss you and I want to come back and Hey, I'm a sister really never the same day when they come here, she said, come to my sister with me and never hear she says,
Yeah, drama.
I'm a sister never two we are go.
Yeah, drama. You know where to say boy.
Even though we bring on them and do next juice here. It's nice.
Come here, repeat yourself again. Hey, come here.
Alright, take care, okay, little miss? Take care. Alright, then, little man. Big up.
Them are gonna bring it, them are coming.
Oh, them are come.
Yeah, them can't walk to Jack. No,
I'm here. You can't cross it. Yeah, you can't cross it.
On the board.
Make talk again that take that friend talk and she can't go cross.
Don't underestimate couple, yeah?
Mom, come and see them.
You see it already, man.
Look at it. This over there now. What I've done.
White nose, I eat star apple.
Daddy?
I'm not eat a star.
I'm glad to see she said, I make you get a jackfruit and you can't cut.
No.
I don't eat a cranberry, I know where that couple.
We can't. Look at the star up there. Which one of them things? The small one there. Hey, what do we have to let her go down now? Push her down the bottom.
Yes, I'm afraid. Oh, that one, the cranberry, that's small.
Yeah. I do want to know this Chris
Oh, that's small, you know. So 1 tree there, star.
Oh.
Small, the one is small.
and then look at it.
One ripe one there on it, and purple one there.
And the team made up and I'm making pizza. This I eat now.
But it's not right.
No, it's not right. It's right in my. I'll give him a piece. I see now. Say I want, Daddy.
Yeah, now call boom them. Go on with the Esther way.
Yeah, I'm a father one.
That they tell me in front of his face. No.
Tell him behind him back then, Cranberry.
No, it's my father. Oh. Look, what did them do? I fear for them. Then I got to boom them.
Yeah. Tara, run out and come see me. Look. Oh.
So I make my hand stick up. Yes. One jar, I'm father. Now I'll give me. You daddy?
Oh. Alright guys, well, so I'm back in Trenchtown now. Back quick and fast, you know. Well, I can say we beat the traffic and now we're back here right now in Trenchtown. Look, the kids them play Dandy Shandy. Remember that game. Shandy, Shandy. Whoa! Oh, yeah, whoa. So, whoa, so now we have a donation from Our Love, you know. Because, guys, remember, Our Love the promise saying I'm going to help Worship to get his passport.
Yeah, man.
So, I guess Worship finally got his H paper and his ID, and now he got the form full out as well, too. Yeah, he had the form full out as well just for him to go and get the passport. So, you know, as Radar said, he was going to help to do that. So I guess the passport is what, $7,000? Yeah, $7,000 to get the passport out for I think the 1 week, right? Well,
yes, man.
Yeah, for the 1 week. So
yeah, so
hello. Look who are going here. Kids is here, more kids. So hello. Hello, Kelsey. When you miss it the other day, the Kelsey miss it.
Oh, Chase come down here. Never see you.
Yeah, we just come, that's why. Esther, should I get the buckle? Oh, tonight, so we'll get your water bottle.
Call Cheers.
Chelsea, yeah.
Eh?
Go call Cheers.
You don't have to call her, because I'm not walking anywhere today.
No, I'm just going to call her.
Mama, go and rap now.
Alright, so wow, chef, so
yeah.
So we have $15,000 a year, which is passport at $7,000.
Yeah, man, yeah, we have some
Same must use the rest to help out with your mother.
Liquor thing, you see?
Yeah, to help out with your mother passing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so it's 50.
If you get someone to put one side for deal the thing, 15th of June, you know. Them time there, you know.
15th of June?
You know.
That's on Strawberry?
Yeah, 15th of June, you know.
Okay.
I'm saying I put up the thing them, so. I try to get in, I can't get in for the time being, you know.
Yeah,
man, you see me, I say. So, out of go down, I make Esther have peace and me have peace, you see me, I say.
Yeah.
So out of go, you know.
Alright.
One love and enough blessing, you know. Yeah,
Our Love. Alright, so this is $15,000 from Our Love.
I love, man. Only for blessing, you know. Enough love, you know. Do me all I raise it to them, man. You see me, I say. So big up the man, them, you see me, I say.
Yeah.
Enough love, you know, all them, you see.
Our Love.
All love, you know.
All them, you
all them, and them things. All love. All for love, all for blessing, you know. Yeah, man, you see me, I say. So, I make it possible, you know. Do what I can do, you know.
So you have the farm full out.
That's already. So the farm full, everything already. So I just make, just to show more about it, just need it. See me, I say.
Yeah.
Only for blessing, man. I am love.
Our Love.
Enough love in all.
Yeah.
Only for blessing, man, you see.
Alright.
Man, I'm here, the war of them feel, you know, so.
Yeah.
Enough love, man, you see.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
So we give thanks to Our Love, you know. Radar Apparel, you know, we give thanks. So Worship now can get the passport sorted out and get this thing up and running, you know. And Boom already have 3 months sorted out already. Boom passport sorted out. You know, Jackson one in the making, like baking, cupcake, that's sweeting. Yeah, there is baking. And we have Resort Baby just come off of the road over there. Resort Baby, that's her over there just come off the road.
Yes.
Resort Baby becomes a lady. Yes. She's not a baby anymore, she's a grandma. She's a grandma. Alright, so blessings, guys. I'm going to say reaching, safe and things. So you know where things go. So blessed love, dream team, one team. You know where things are all the way team. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.